Taichi shadowing, finding your flow. Introduction, the root. Welcome. Let us begin by finding our center. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Feel the ground beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your feet deep into the earth. Your body is heavy, yet light. Inhale slowly and feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale and let go of the tension in your shoulders. We are not just moving our bodies, we are moving our energy. Repeat these words and follow the rhythm of the breath. The flow, moving like water. Move like water. Water does not fight the rock. It flows around it. Your arms are like silk, floating on a gentle breeze. Transition your weight slowly from the left foot to the right foot. Balance is not a destination. It is a continuous adjustment. When the mind wanders, bring it back to the soles of your feet. Soften your gaze. Soften your heart. Everything is connected. Every movement is a prayer of peace. The power, strength in stillness. True strength does not come from tension. It comes from being relaxed. Think of a bamboo tree. It bends in the storm, but it does not break. It is flexible, yet rooted. As you shadow these movements, feel the space between your hands. There is energy there, a quiet power. Push away the heavy thoughts of yesterday. Pull in the calm energy of right now. You are present. You are strong. You are still. Conclusion. Returning to center. Bring your hands together slowly over your lower abdomen. Take one final deep breath. Feel the warmth you have created. Carry the stillness with you into the rest of your day. You have done well. Your journey is just beginning, step by step, breath by breath. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, peace be with you. If you're finding your flow with today's session, subscribe to the Story Shadow and join our community of English learners.